Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make an oldie goldie. This is a dish that my mother and my grandmother made when we were growing up. I made it for my kids when they were little, but I haven't made it in a very long time. So it's actually a dessert. And it's a pear dessert, and so that's what I'm going to call it, but it'll be a surprise. So let's get started. Okay folks, this is going to be a really simple recipe. So what my grandma and my mother did was take a pear and believe it or not, put some mayonnaise right here. And some cheese. This is all there is to it. Now I will say, we grew up on a ranch, and then my folks bought their farm, so we lived pretty close to my grandparents and my aunts and uncles. And this is one of Grandma's desserts that we had, and if you tried it, I'm sure you will love it. Seems kind of weird, but we're gonna try it because I haven't had this probably since the 1980s. It's when my children were growing up, and this is the last time I made this dessert. Alrighty, here it goes. Oh my goodness. The saltiness from the cheese with the sweetness of the pear. And I'm not sure what the mayonnaise is doing, but it's got to be there because that's how Grandma and Mom fixed it. So, it's good. And if you tried it, I hope you like it, but now I gotta go make Sissy a couple because she hasn't had these for a long time either. And I mean, we're talking 40 years or better. Okay, folks. Well, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.